Verse from Proverbs 20th, chapter 20th, verse 7. A righteous man who walks in his integrity, how blessed are his sons after him. Since childhood, I have been influenced in spiritual growth through my pastor, Reverend Kalsikar, who later became my papa, my father in law. I have never had the opportunity to meet my husband before marriage, but when I had the marriage proposal, I saw my husband through the characteristics of my spiritual provider, my guide, my pastor in town. I had been always brought up with love and care of my honest, hardworking, and God fearing, faithful parents. It was an answer to their prayers that I had a God given household with same loving in laws who were my I and Papa and still are. Papa has always been a loving, caring, hardworking, generous, and devoted man. He is gentle, humble, and always a perfect gentleman. Since my daddy passed away, I always became more close to Papa. In a sense, I always sought for spiritual guidance, love from Papa as my loving father. I have always sought the love and guidance I missed from my father's absence, and I have seen Papa through the eyes of my father and as a father. Papa's image has always been of a man who loves the Lord with all his heart, one who loves his family more than words can say. He has always been a role model in our family, and like today, as Papa celebrates his 75th birthday, I want to wish him lots of love, the grace of God, health, and happiness. Even though I can't be present, he is in my prayer, and thoughts of love are always on this special day. I owe you, Papa, a debt of gratitude for raising such a good man to be my husband, Dr. Pramod. Not only have you been an amazing father to my husband, but also an incredible grandparent to my son Pratik. I have been able to witness my dear sweet husband as a devoted, faithful, and loving son to whom his father is his biggest hero. And also, Pratik has always grown up with you as a model grandfather. You are a blessed, we are all actually a blessed household to serve the Lord, and a joy that it is the fourth generation in our home serving the Lord. As my husband who has followed your footsteps and sought to follow the Lord, and I hope that this legacy will live on with my husband Pratik and the future generations. Through your example, we have always been taught what it means to be a man of humility, honor, of grace, and faith. Papa, like I see you as a pillar of courage in trying times, a father who offers bold faith in God and solid spiritual and scriptural leadership at home too. I'm proud and thankful to be your daughter-in-law. I have a lot of wonderful memories always with you. I miss you all. And also, I am so blessed to be with you and in your family. I just have a few words in a form of poetry. Dear Papa, you extended a hand in warmth, welcoming me into your family. I was made to feel a sense of belonging. There was never any question that it would be otherwise. I have been blessed twofold through my marriage. First, through my wonderful husband, who is by my side always, then through the love of my family, of whom you are the patriarch and the guiding light. It is so very difficult to express in words what lies deep in my heart. A simple thank you is never enough. And so on this special day, I can only offer these verses of gratitude to you. The gifts you have bestowed upon me are a God given blessing. It is my privilege and honor to share this special occasion with you, this wonderful birthday greetings, and as you celebrate, I wish you health and happiness always. Thank you.